Welcome back to Product Bakar. Here is the thing about AI. It's powerful, but it's also a black box. Users don't always know how it works, why it gave certain answer, or whether they can trust it. And if there is one truth in the product management, it's this. Without trust, adoption dies. So today we are unpacking how product managers can design trust, explainability, and transparency into AI products. Let's start here. Most product managers assume that the key to adoption is accuracy. If the AI is 95% correct, people will use it, right? Not exactly. Think about self driving cars. Even if they are 95% safe, people worry about the 5%. Or take a medical AI. A diagnosis tool might be more accurate than a human doctor. But if it can't explain why it gave the answer, patients hesitate. The truth is, users don't just need accuracy, they need confidence. And that confidence comes from trust, not just technical performance. So, there are three pillars of designing trust. First is explainability. Users want to know why the AI made a recommendation. For example, Spotify's because you listen to message, it shows the logic, not just the output. As a product manager, always ask, can the user understand the reasoning, even at a simple level? Second is transparency. Be upfront about when AI is being used. Don't hide it. For example, Gmail labels smart compose suggestion. Users know it's AI, not magic. Transparency builds honesty. It tells user what's happening behind the scenes. Third is control. Give users the ability to override, correct, or adjust the AI. For example, Duolingo lets learners report bad answers. Netflix lets you give a thumbs up or down. Control shifts the power balance. User feel they are in charge, not at the mercy of machine. When these three pillars combine, explainability, transparency, and control, trust follows. Let's look at product manager's checklist for trustworthy AI. So what can you do as a product manager? Here is a simple checklist. Communicate confidence levels. Don't just say this is the answer. Say we are 80% confident. Show the why. Use supporting data or examples behind a recommendation. Design graceful failures. If the AI doesn't know, it should admit it, not hallucinate. Educate the user. Offer tooltips. Frequently ask questions on onboarding that explains how the AI works. Create a feedback loop. Let the users rate, flag, or refine outputs and actually use that data to improve. Remember, trust is not a feature, it's an ongoing relationship between your product and your users. So, here is the bottom line: building AI products isn't just about algorithms, it's about designing trust. Because without trust, your users won't adopt no matter how advanced your model is. As a product manager, our job is to make AI less of a black box and more of a partner. Explain it, expose it, give users control. That's how you build AI products that people actually rely on. This was Product Bakar, episode 7 of the AI season, designing trust, explainability, and transparency in the AI products. Follow the show for the next episode, building with LLMs, what works and what doesn't for product managers.